Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install applications on your DYON Movie Smart TV. To install an application on your TV, make sure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can always check it in settings if you scroll down to connection menu and check your network and whether or not you are connected to either a wireless network or using an Ethernet cable. So, once you are sure that you are connected to the network, return to your home screen and then scroll down to App Store. Open the App Store, wait until it loads up on your screen. And once you are in the App Store, you'll be able to either select one of the featured applications. They are also sorted by categories like games, latest apps, applications for kids, movies and TV series, internet TV, and all the rest of the categories can be found right here at the bottom. Or if you are looking for some specific application, you can go to the very top of your screen, select the magnifier icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then input the application's name in here. So let's search, for example, for a browser app. I'm not actually sure if we can find it here. And to start searching, click the search icon. And there is only one browser available for this TV, so let's actually download some other application. Let me just exit the browser. And let's download, for example, this app. To start downloading it, just go to the apps page and click install. And once the app is installed, click open to open it. The app will be added to your applications list and you'll be able to assign a spot for it by moving it to the left and to the right on your apps list. To confirm its position, press OK button, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.